specifically one topic in mathematics.
You can also apply this to your everyday life.
Let me show you something. Have you noticed that everything around us are made up of shape? And these shapes are classified by the following. First, regular shape. When we say regular shape, all sides have the same measure. Let me give you the following example. An equilateral triangle, a square, a pentagon, a hexagon, and an octagon. Those are examples of regular shape. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, irregular shape. When we say irregular shape, the sides are not equal. Maybe two of it are equal but not all sides. So let me show you the picture. Those are the examples of irregular shape. So let me show you something. This house composed of different shapes. Let's say we have to remove all the shapes except the floor. Considering that the shape of the floor is a square and we are planning to put a bricks in every sides of the floor, how do we know the total measure of the bricks we need? To get the answer, we need to find the perimeter of the square floor. But first, what is perimeter? So when we say perimeter, this is the sum of all sides of a certain shape. So going back to the figure, we can see that this square floor is a regular shape. Now, how to solve the perimeter of a regular shape? I can show you two ways of solving it. First is by adding the measure of all sides. Okay, so let's say that the measure of the sides of the floor are the following. Side A is equal to 4 meters, side B is equal to 4 meters, side C is equal to 4 meters, and side D is also 4 meters. So we have 4 meters plus 4 meters plus 4 meters plus 4 meters is equal to 16 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of a square floor is 16 meters. Remember that it is important to write a unit in every answer. So another way of solving a perimeter is by multiplying the measure of one side by the total number of sides. So with the same given, the measure of one side is equal to 4 meters and the total number of sides of a square is 4. So we have 4 meters times 4 is equal to 16 meters. So meaning to say, using any of the two will result to the same answer. Okay, so let's have another example. So what is the perimeter of a clock given that each shape is an octagon with a side 3 cm? So we can use the two ways of answering it. First is by adding the measure of all sides. Given that the measure of one side is 3 cm and it is regular shape, so the measure of each side is 3 cm. So we have 3 cm plus 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 3 cm is equal to 24 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter is 24 centimeters. So the second one is by multiplying the measure of one side by the total number of sides. Since we have 3 centimeter as the measure of one side and the total number of sides of an octagon is 8, so we have 3 centimeter times 8 is equal to 24 centimeters. So we are done discussing the perimeter of a regular shape. Now, answer the following. You can use any of the two ways. And after that, check if your answer is correct. Good luck!
before we proceed to the next one, how many correct answers you got? We hope you got a perfect score. Let's continue the discussion on finding the perimeter of an irregular shape. Let me give you an example. In this irregular shape, we cannot use the second way in finding the perimeter, which is multiplying the measure of one side to the total number of sides, because each sides of this shape have different measures. Meaning, we just need to add the measure of all sides, which is 6 cm plus 4 cm plus 2 cm plus 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 7 cm is equals to 26 cm. So the perimeter of this irregular shape is 26 cm. Let's have another example. As you can see, there is a missing part, but the missing part has the same length to its opposite side, which is 10 cm. With this, we can tell that the measure of the missing part is also 10 cm. So we can have 3 cm plus 6 cm plus 12 cm plus 6 cm plus 3 cm plus 10 cm plus 6 cm and plus the missing part, which is 10 cm, is equals to 56 cm. So the perimeter of this given example is 56 cm. Now, we're done discussing the perimeter of an irregular shapes. Try to answer the following, then check your answers afterwards. Do your best!
So we are done with this discussion. I am Teacher Rica Oweremia.
And I am Teacher Grisel M. Valencia.